All right, listen, I'm not one of those like follower grower gurus that's trying to convince you that I have a formula for you to be able to amass thousands and thousands of followers if you just do this one thing. You can just look down on my account right now and you can see that I haven't even obtained about 2,000 followers just yet. Emphasis on the yet, because we are growing. This video isn't that. This video isn't, oh my God, this is the formula. It's nothing like that. So recently, I've been seeing some type of traction throughout my social media channels, if here on YouTube or my TikTok, Instagram, and stuff like that. And I think I figured out almost what's been working, or I've been noticing what's been working. This video is just like almost a basic way of how you can reimagine the way you think about creating your content that will actually help you see some type of traction and growth, and also give you a reassuring from a number standpoint, give you some reassurance that your content's being pushed out to actual people, or more people than just your mom or your siblings that comment under all of your videos. I love you guys. Thank you guys for doing so, but more people in your field and stuff like that. So let's get into it. So we have to start back in like 2020. The first thing we always have to talk about is TikTok. They introduced a new algorithm that favored kind of user push content, right? And they did that by introducing something that's called the For You page, changing up what an explore page, this thing that we were used to, once was. They made it more kind of customized to the user, allowing for a new algorithm to kind of take forefront. Basically, everyone felt like it was the easiest place to grow organically, right? That was the app that led the wave for this new age of social media. Every other app like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook quickly followed this type of algorithm, right? Yeah, I mean, you see it now with YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels on Facebook. They were kind of forced to adapt to this type of algorithm, right? And I categorize that as kind of the organic reach on the platform. That's essentially what it is. So yeah, we all know this. It's pretty much drilled into our heads already since 2020 with all of these social media experts, all these social media people and stuff like that. I still see so many people not utilizing it to its fullest potential. This is the simplest way to think about it. At the most basic level, you have to make two types of content. The content that's going to help you grow is the search-friendly content. This is where you utilize that organic reach. Newer people, newer followers are going to find you, things like that. The second type of content is audience and follower specific content. Whatever content people are subscribing to you for, what they're there for, what they hit that follow button to follow along for, those are the type of content you're making just specifically for your followers and your subscribers, the reoccurring people that come back to your page. YouTube is the easiest example for me, because take my account for example. My main feed videos, the traditional styled YouTube videos, are more long formatted and things like that for my subscribers, the people that are subscribed to this channel. My shorts, on the other hand, that is my search friendly content. They're very niche down into my industry of photography and videography in order for them to get pushed out organically, hopefully then to get people to subscribe and look at the rest of the videos. For me personally, my biggest push and my biggest way people find me is that YouTube search. They're searching for something very specific, and the shorts are what are being pushed out. Instagram is kind of the same at this very moment. Your main feed and all your main posts, the only place that it gets pushed out to are your current followers. And also that varies too, because they don't even do that anymore. They don't push it to your followers anymore. There's really little to none probability that your post will go viral when you just post it to your main feed, because the only people that it's going to get pushed to are your followers. The only organic reach at this very moment where we stand is in Instagram Reels. They're curated to be spread to anyone that are interested in that specific topic, the same way that TikTok is kind of set up like. But there's one thing that I feel like you have to keep in mind and many people don't. This is where the real like meat and potatoes of my of this whole video really is here. Each one of these apps have a specific way to format the search friendly type of content. YouTube Shorts, the biggest thing is the way you title your shorts, because people type in the search bar very specifically what they want to see, what they want to find, and to optimize that, your SEO essentially, you really have to spend some time on the title. Instagram Reels at the moment, I feel like it's captioned slightly, but also the hashtags on Instagram Reels is like the forefront. And then TikTok at the moment, I feel like it's captions and sound. Sometimes it's just the sound you are using, sometimes it's the caption. TikTok will recommend it or boost it through the captions more times than not, because people are really getting very specific to what they're looking for. The TikTok is a new Google. YouTube has always been a Google as well. But this is just for at this very moment. These are all like consistently changing. The algorithm is always changing to day, every day. Being aware of this and trying to keep up to date with the formatting to even the little things like the caption, the hashtag and stuff like that is good to keep track of as we move forward. But yeah, that's really it. Very simple. I told you I'm not a follower expert, whatever. Will this get you thousands of followers immediately? Probably not. This is more of like the long-term thing. I guarantee you will see some type of growth. It's gonna take time, and the biggest thing for it and not feeling discouraged is feeling like you're just talking to yourself. I know we're not supposed to get in our heads about the numbers, but actually seeing that you're making steps in the right direction matters. So this is kind of a way to potentially help you see that in some type of way. If you have any more questions, I'm going to be making a lot more videos on kind of the strategy side of creating content. Me, myself, I've worked in marketing, worked in social media strategy for various brands, for the biggest brands, for startups and things like that. I have a lot of information that I want to share with you guys. But yeah, if you have any more questions, leave it in the comments. If you like this video, please drop a like on this video. It helps me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. We make some cool stuff here. Yeah, with that being said, always stay safe, always do what you love, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.